So hey guys, I had a lot of questions about how to make this repair using ALCop. Well, I did a repair this week for Sunbelt Rentals on a microchannel coil that had a leak right here in the weld. It was very easy, like you literally don't have to do anything different than what you're doing now for a standard repair. So I'll do a quick one. So let's just say for whatever reason, there's a leak right here on this braze, and it does happen. You're going to do just like you always do. You're going to go ahead and sand this guy up. And you're going to get it nice and clean. Now I'm not going to be able to pressure test this because the piece that I'm working on has been cut up and the microchannel is actually just sitting in a test bench. But this is going to show you how it can be done. It's very easy. You're going to clean it all up just like you do before. You're going to clean up the braze area. You're going to clean up the aluminum. You're going to get it where, you know, any oxidation and whatnot is off of it. Looks pretty good, right? No problem there. Now I'm using a number 3 tip from ASCO. I really like this tip. I do all my repairs with this this setup. You can see right here, it's from ASCO. It uses oxygen through this venturi here, so I don't have an oxygen bottle. Some say it's like a turbo tip, but it's not. This is an ASCO tip. It's precision made. It's really great, and you can get this through True Tech Tools. So for this test, it's going to be a little loud, but I'm using ALCop. And the ALCop rod, this is the ALCop rod right here. This is the case that it comes in. You can see right here the ALCop. This is from Solderweld. And you can find out all about Solderweld at www.solderweld.com. So we're going to go ahead and make this repair. And you're going to do just like you would normally do with any braze. You're going to warm up your work. Now for me, I usually start on the aluminum, on the copper side. I'll start on the copper side. I'll warm up the header a little bit. Everybody brazes different, but heat, you know, all of this is matter. So all of this absorbs the heat. We're going to get this guy going in here. Again, nothing that you wouldn't normally do. You're going to see how she sticks. Okay, so we're flowing solder. And there's the ALCop. Goes right over the top of the silver solder that I have on there from the factory. And the ALCop is going to work and doing what it's supposed to do. But I'm not doing anything different. I'm not doing anything any different that you wouldn't do brazing with regular rod. And you can see I'm not really burning the aluminum. It's not melting. So anybody who says, oh, you're going to melt the aluminum, and pretty much that's it. You're done. And that's not too bad. Like I said, you're going to warm this area up. You're going to heat up the copper. You're going to go back and forth between the aluminum. You're going to get a nice flame. You're going to go right in with your rod tip. You're going to braze right over the top of the silver, and you're done. It's that simple. I didn't use anything special. I didn't use any flux. I didn't use a special tip or any chemicals or compounds. It's all built into the ALCop from Solderweld. And again, very easy. If you look at it, it's in great shape. There's no problems. If you have any questions about it, you can get a hold of me here, or you can reach out to me at hvacreeferguy@gmail.com. And if you want to know about ALCop, you can do so through Solderweld at www.solderweld.com.